And we're live.
Croeso nôl I Tŷ Pawb. Flwyddyn Sain sioe gyntaf. So welcome back to Tŷ Pawb. A year since our first live stream. And we thought it'd be fitting to start with one of the first songs we wrote together. This one's called Time Flies. Okay, so we're doing an all originals set today, and this next track is one of our releases from earlier last year. So a lot's happened during lockdown. We've been recording stuff. This track's called Out of Sight, Out of Mind.
All right.
What I really need is some honesty. I struggle to breathe, all I want is to be free. To be free. Nothing to say as you run away. Zero complaints as you turn over a new page. A new page. Struggle to cope with your honesty. All alone cause you wanted to be free. To be free. Who you gonna get to drive you home? Who you gonna get to drive you home? So I'm good to go, I'll race you home. So I'm good to go, I'll race you home. Got you now in my sights. No one else is here to see. Now I've got you in my sights. If you could see me now, wouldn't believe what you've seen. If only you could see me now. I think I know her. I'm sure I've seen your face before. I think I know her, but she don't know me. I think I know her. I'm sure I've seen your face before. I think I know her, but she don't know me. Got you now in my sights. No one else is here to see. Now I've got you in my sights. You could see me now, wouldn't believe what you've seen. Only you could see me now. No one else is here. No one else is here to see. No one else is here. If only you could see me. If only you could see me now. If only you could see me. If only you could see me now.
All right, tune. Everyone happy?
Happy, happy, happy. So, this next track is called Don't Cause a Scene.
Stokes.
follow my lead. Remember the first time, who could believe? And that was the worst time. Take it from me. Study progress. Study progress. Give it a road test. Don't cause a scene. Now everybody's falling out with me. Like I'm the only one who caused a scene. That everybody's crawling out to see. If only I could breathe again, then maybe this would all make sense, and you'd always be waiting to take me away from here, away from here, away from here, away from here. Now everybody's falling out with me. Like I'm the only one who caused a scene. And everybody's crawling out to see. So tell me when the world gave up on peace, and show me where this garden path will lead. 'Cause everybody's falling out with me. That was fun.
I got a double kick drum pedal set up and I have no idea why. It's quite
I
fun.
mean, I would say it's for show, but no one can see it. But now you know. Now you know. This was our first shingle, Runaway Bay. Starts with a mystery chord. I could tell you how I feel, try to explain. I could show you all the fears that run around my brain. I could open up my heart, I could share my pain. I could vocalize my thoughts before I go insane. So hard to guess where you're coming from. So you can find our music on Spotify. We've got a few tracks up there now. Also, we've got a YouTube channel, Alpha Chino, and you can find us on Instagram. All of those at Alpha Chino Band.
All of the things.
All of the things. I'm not going to give you my email address.
I'll give it you.
This next track is a Welsh song. Y can nes yma yw gan Gymraeg o'r enw Ymuno yn sôn am annibyniaeth Cymru and talks about Welsh independence. This track's called Ymuno. Thank you very much. How's everyone's Friday night? Go on, give us a message. Let us know what's going on in your world. What are you wearing?
Inappropriate.
This is a new track. It's called Change Your Plan. Change your key.
Darkest night, my thoughts are clouds, they hide the light.
'cause my mind's away. I won't find peace until I see your face again. Travel far across the road to get my heart to you, girl. I control my destiny, yet I don't know what's best for me. Broken heart, eager plans could make me change all my plans. I woke up, it was the brightest day. I took my time to leave this place behind. You stole my heart as you took my hand and led me to this foreign land. But I control my destiny, yet I don't know what's best for me. A broken heart, a heating hand could make me change all my plans. I never struggle on my own. It doesn't mean I wanna be alone. Never judge by myself. It doesn't mean I'm with someone else to share all this wealth I have. I woke up, it was the brightest day, and I filled my cup at least halfway. All right. Let's see my trusty set list. What's coming up next? The calm before the storm. Okay, so we have got a new track that we've been, well, it's not new to us, but it's something that we've recorded recently, and it's our next release, actually. We don't have a date to give you, but keep an eye on our Facebook page and other mediums for announcements. This track is called Lost What's Mine. I've been working on something clear to get out of here. I've been searching for somebody dear. Get me out of here. I've been working on something new to get over you. I've been searching for somebody other than you to get over you. One, two, three, four. Walking on thin ice, and my neck is on the line. We used to stand behind. Whoa, 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 have no idea what time it is. It's early, still early. It's party time.
Has everyone got a drink? A drink? Tea? Wine?
Wine.
Beer?
Oh, them, not me.
Them.
Oh, you're talking about them.
What have you got?
Me.
What
Nothing.
would you like?
This track is called Moving Forward. It's a song that we managed to get out before the lockdown and made a wonderful video at Swallow Falls. Jace put a lot of time and effort into that video. Again, go to our YouTube channel, you will see. So like I said, this song's called Moving Forward.
By the sun, don't forget to cherish each and every one. Don't keep calm and carry on. Try your best not to regret the things you've done. Think forward, second chance in this life. Same mistakes twice. Now it's time to get it right. Don't be scared, pick up your arms and join the fight. Think forward. Life is short, so do it right. Do all the things that make you feel alive. Life is short, but time goes slow. Do all the things that make you feel at home. Second chance in this life. Don't you dare make the same mistakes twice. Now's the time to get it right. Don't be scared, pick up your arms and join the fight. Think forward. Life is short, so do it right. Do all the things that make you feel alive. Life is short, but time goes slow. Do all the things that make you feel at home. Life is short, so do it right. Do all the things that make you feel alive. Life is short, but time goes slow. Do all the things that make you feel at
Woo!
So yeah, it's been a year exactly to the day that we did our first live stream for Tŷ Pawb. So we are
Thanks for having us back.
grateful to be asked back. Thank you.
And we're really looking forward to doing a gig in the venue itself. Obviously, Tŷ Pawb is a wonderful thing to the community in Wrexham, and can't wait until people are allowed back. This song's called Beyond the Stars.
Two different paths, same destination. I feel the frustration, you don't.
iawn, diolch. Okay, we have 2 tracks left. 2 tracks left to
Thanks for
complete
watching.
this set. Yes, thanks for everyone for tuning in. Leave us a comment, let us know where you're watching from, that'd be great. It's nice to see how far spread our audience or how closed in it is.
Where are you right now? Where are you?
Yeah. This song's called Watch Me Disappear. I saw the forecast for the day, and it's raining. No, you don't care, and this won't change a thing. Wanted to be there for you, wanted to see you make it. Now that I'm here, I've noticed things aren't the same between us. Always been there for you, no matter what you needed. Now I'll just disappear as the day fades away. Saw the forecast for the day, the sun shining, and now I know to let it go. It's too late. Wanted to be there for you, wanted to see you make it. Now that I'm here, I've noticed things aren't the same between us. Always been there for you, no matter what you needed. Now I'll just disappear as the day fades away. I've decided that when you had enough of someone, you should let them know. I can't hide it, but I've had enough of someone, I just can't let it go. Life's too short to say goodbye. Life's too short, we live and die. I've decided that when you had enough of someone, you should let them know. I can't hide it, but I've had enough of someone, I just can't let it go. Life's too short to say goodbye. Life's too short, we live and die. Once again, thanks for Tŷ Pawb for having us. Thanks everyone for tuning in. This is our last track. It's called Soft Focus. Hope you have a wonderful Friday night. We've been Alpha Chino.
watch the sunrise on a different day. You hear your bed call, but you won't take the fall, cause it isn't late. Can't admit that you're sensitive to the light. Call up the day parade out in the night. Her eyes adjust, start to focus, it all becomes clear. Delete the picture, erase a memory and change your identity. Delete the picture, erase a memory and change your identity. Delete the picture, erase a memory and be who you wanna be. Delete the picture, erase a memory and change your identity. You give off a certain energy. You and I could be the worst of enemies. I play guitar, you sing the melody. You and I could be in perfect harmony. You give off a certain energy. You and I could be the worst of enemies. I play guitar, you sing the melody. You and I could be in perfect harmony. Diolch yn fawr. Nos da.
Thank you.